In this video, we talk about sets in Python. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, and let's look at our chart real quick. So a set is not ordered, so it's unordered, but it is mutable, which means you can add and subtract items from your set, and you set it up with the squirrely brackets, and it looks kind of like this. So let's head over and get this thing going. Let me go ahead and write up a note here. So sets are unordered and mutable. All right, so let's go ahead and create a set. So we'll do our fruits equals to squirrely bracket, and we'll do apples,
bananas, grapes, pears.
And cool, sounds good, right? Print fruits. So let's print out our set real quick and see what happens. So you see that it printed out in a different order than the order we have here. Again, because sets are unordered. So we got bananas, grapes, pears, apples instead of what's our order is up here. Now, one thing that's helpful about sets is they can be used to remove duplicate values. So if we had bananas in here twice, bananas, it would still only print out bananas, grapes, pears, apples. It wouldn't print bananas twice. So using sets are a great way to remove duplicates, and that's often where I see them used. Also, sets support the in operator, so we could check if an item is in a set. So for example, apples in fruits, true, versus, I don't know, oranges in fruits is false. So the in operator works with sets. You can also add items to a set if you want to. So to do it, you could do fruits.add. So as you'll notice, this is different than append, which is what we use when we're adding items to a list. So list is append, a set is add, the add method. So we can do fruits add, and let's say we want to go ahead and add in oranges, and then we run it, and now we see that our statement is true. So because oranges is now in fruit because we added it. So here we go, we see oranges now in our set of information. We can also remove items from our set using the pop method. Now there's a pop method also inside of lists, but in a list, it removes the last item of your list, whereas if you use the pop method in a set, it removes a random item from your set. So if we run it, pop, so we're gonna pop and we don't tell it what to pop, we just leave it blank, we run it, and it popped out bananas, right? So we're not seeing bananas in our set any longer, so that's how pop works. And so that's pretty much it for sets. Since they're unordered, you can't use the index and iterate through it or things of that nature. And you can't sort them because they're unordered, and so that's really it. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, I appreciate any sorts of likes, comments, subscribes, anything like that, and I hope that you have a great rest of the day.